Hi there, it's Sam from Petals.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a huge Petal Passion bag and I love it. Look at that bird, too cute, and the flowers and the detailing and the little clip to close it, and it's a huge bag inside. Love it. So I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm going to be doing some stamping and some die cutting and some bag making and a kind of a bit of everything. Right, so you need a piece of paper that is 12 by 12 inches, so 30 by 30 centimetres, and it needs to be double-sided because obviously we're going to flip over this part, and decide which side you want to have as the main part first, and then if it has a direction to flow in, make sure you've got that one the right way up. But I want my spots as the main part, and then I'm going to fold over and have the leaves and flowery bits coming after. So, let me go find my measurements. Okay, so and don't worry about writing everything down, it's all going to be on my blog, so click open the description bar and you'll see it there and you'll be able to watch this video with all the instructions underneath. Okay, so score it at 2 7/8 of an inch, 5 3/4, 8 5/8 of an inch and 11.5 inches, and in metric that is 7, 14, 21 and 28 centimetres. Then on the other side, so this is going to be, what we're scoring now is going to be the bottom of the bag, 2 7/8 of an inch, which is 7 centimetres, and then turn it over, so you've got the other side and we're still on the same line, 10 inches, which is 25 centimetres. And that's the bit that's we're going to be folding over there. So, move that out of the way. Okay, I've got a new pair of glasses on today. I had some glasses specially made for me. And they're upside down glasses, but they've had to make the lens and then put them in perfectly circular glasses so that they could turn the lens upside down. Essentially they're bifocals but upside down. When I'm very tired or working at extreme close up and the monitor I'm looking at that's above me is about that far from my face, so yeah, that's about, I don't know, about 8 inches from my face, so quite close. Actually, maybe not even that much. No, it's about 4 inches from my face, and it's too close for me to see. So, yeah, fun and games. So I've had these glasses specially made for me. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I'm doing it this side, that's why. The bottom and the back. So I've had these glasses made, and it's ever so off-putting because I'm looking in one direction. I don't need close-up to do this work, but I do need to have this monitor ahead of me, and I feel a bit seasick. I'll show you them. Just call me Harry Potter. And I don't know if you can see, probably not, but yeah, they're perfectly circular because they've put the lenses in and then had to spin them completely. And there's a line, there you go, you can just see it there, goes right the way across, so they're upside down glasses. And I can't, oh that's better, I can see the monitor now, but it's ever so, I don't know, good job I don't need varifocus. I think I'd be being sick every day. Right, okay. Okay, so that's the top of the bag. That's the inside. So let's trim some bits away. Oh, I'm happy to move my head all over the place now. I don't know if anybody else is like it. When I'm very tired, I need glasses for close-up. I don't for reading in bed because I can make the words bigger on my Kindle. I need distance when I'm doing long car journeys because I need to obviously be able to concentrate. And I need close-up when I'm tired or it's very close like this monitor. Bit in between's fine. Anybody else like that? Right, where's my fast fuse? Ooh. So what I want to do is I'm going to stick this part down. And if you didn't know, if I haven't mentioned it, I can't remember, Fast Fuse has sold out in North America and they're not keeping it. It's retiring. So all of us lot in Europe, we still have it. So if you want it, get it now because it won't be carrying over into the new catalogue. I don't know what they're bringing us instead, something else, but let's turn off my phone. They will be bringing us something else and we just don't know what it is yet. Right, so I've folded over. I'm just going to re-burnish here and here. So stock up on your fast fuse. Right, that's the back of my box. I'm going to fold in my two sides and the back. And that part. So that's going to become the front. It's quite a good size box, isn't it? What does it finish up at? Oh, 2 7/8 of an inch by 2 7/8 of an inch. So 7 by 7. Pretty good. And how tall is it? I've got my metric showing up. It's about 18 centimetres. Pretty good. Pinch in the sides. And if you've got something in there first, if you've got something quite chunky in there, maybe a candle, I don't know if I've got one handy. I have. Oh, that would work. But it will resist at the side. So obviously this one I've pushed all the way in. This is resisting and it's not, there you go, you can sort of see it's kind of squaring off. So make sure you put your treats in first. Let me get that out there because that's not for this. It's just an empty bag. Right, picture perfect birthday binder clips. Love these. So we've got lemon lime twist, Bermuda Bay, which I used on this one, silver, and then berry burst, which is the one I'm going to put on. And at this point I'm sure probably Berry, my kitten, is going to leg it upstairs because she's just heard me say her name. Okay, so that's essentially the bag made. Let's have some fun. Let's do some stamping now. Right, I'm looking for some Whisper White. My scraps jar is in front of me. Typically there's no Whisper White scraps, so let's just have a bit off and move from one shelf to the next. Okay, Berry Burst ink, Petals and more Thinlits dies, and the matching stamps. Love. I was going to do the bird. I don't know whether to do the bird again. I think I will. I think I will do the same as I did before, just a different colourway, I think. I have to confess, when I first saw this bundle in the catalogue, I was like, oh, yeah, it's okay, it's not really me. OMG, I love it. Isn't it amazing how you can see something and think, well, it's not really for me, but, you know, I'll take a look at it anyway. Absolutely love it. Totally adore it. Happy girl. Glad I invested. Okay, so if I bring back the original one and about my dies. So there's the bird that I like. And yeah, I'm going to stick with the same as I had before, but so to show you what it looks like with a different colourway. But obviously you can stamp all of these images here. You can stamp that one and die cut it out, and then that's that one. I think that one is there. Love it. Multi-purpose, and then obviously all of the sentiments as well. Genius. Right, I'm going to die cut this before I colour it because I don't want to spend time colouring it, and then that'll be the doorbell. Pause. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, doorbell went. Right, so what was I saying? Can't remember. Okay, let's get my magnetic platform out. Clear plate. This one. Get my bird over the top. I hope that's lined up. Oh, stuck to my fingers. I wish, you know what, I really hope the Stampin' comes out with the glue that holds the dies in place. That would be brilliant, wouldn't it? And then these ones. And grab Big Shot. Okay, and run it all through. I love my Big Shot. I was having a chat with somebody the other day on the phone and we were talking about dies versus punches and stuff. And I never used to do a huge amount of die cutting. Just check that's all gone. No, it hasn't gone through properly. I need to run that through again. Yeah, I never used to do an awful lot of die cutting, and then I repositioned stuff on my desk so that I could access my Big Shot all of the time. Oh, I left the bird die there. And because I can get at it all the time, I use it all the time. So, yeah. I like the fact that I can die cut all the time. Has that gone through now? Still a little bit there. Let me try this tip, and I can't remember who showed it recently. Doing your die cutting upside down. I think that has all gone through now. Everybody's everybody's big shot is set up and lined up slightly differently, and mine is confused. Right, let's get these. Well, that one's definitely cut through. Let's hope this one is as well. And where's my die brush? I love the die brush. And it sort of helps everything start popping out as well. Oh, these glasses are making life very difficult. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm trying to look through the wrong bit, the close-up bit, but it's just far too close for me right now. I think I ran it through so well, it's got itself completely stuck and it's going, no, I don't want to finish, I want to stay in here. Right, last few. Bravo. Where did the bird go? I'm asking that bad. There she is. Right, so let's just get those out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my blender pen. So berry burst, so you squish it to get some of the ink to transfer onto the lid. And you could use your watercolour, your aqua painters. And I'm actually going over her wings, even though they're in black, but and then I'm trying to get rid of this. I picked up a bit too much ink. Pretty, pretty. Oh, so cute. Right, okay, I've got some they didn't cut out, but that's okay. We can cut them off. These ones all did. Now, how do you get them to stick? Well, there's enough large petals, or enough petals. But what I like to do is get mini glue dot, roll it up a bit and then hide it. You could use the fine tip glue, but I find that you need to put something heavy on it so that the glue dries, and this to me is a quicker way to do it. And obviously I don't want to put anything heavy on my beautiful bag and squish it. Nobody wants a squished bag. So now, when I've taken it all off myself, I can put that on there. And all the places where I put mini glue dots, I forgot to put one under there. They're all hidden away and sticking to me, but that is stuck down. I'm going to have a dimensional on here. And then I just need to get some glue dots on here as well. And again, there are flowers, that's not glue dots. There's the glue dots. You could use dabs of Tombow. That would work, but again, as I said before, you kind of almost need to hold it in place for it to dry. And this just to me is a quicker solution. And there we go, bag made. And as you can see, it's puffed out slightly on this one but not on that one. Same bag, different look. Cute. I love it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to see you very soon. Bye.